In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fraction visuals on PowerPoint more professional and easier to understand. This is especially useful for math lessons, reports, educational presentations, or any slide that includes numbers and equations. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. You can use an existing presentation or create a new blank slide if you're just practicing. Once your presentation is ready, head to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section gives you access to different tools for adding content like images, charts, shapes, and mathematical equations. Now look for the Equation option and click on it. As soon as you do, PowerPoint will open a special equation editor that lets you create mathematical expressions directly on your slide. After the equation tools appear, find the section called Structures. Inside this area, you'll see different equation layouts you can use. Click on Fraction, and PowerPoint will display several fraction styles. You can choose a basic stacked fraction, a slanted fraction, or other formats depending on the look you want for your presentation. Once you pick a fraction style, placeholders will appear on your slide. Simply type your numerator in the top box and your denominator in the bottom box. Your fraction will instantly appear in a clean, professional format that's much easier to read than typing numbers manually with slashes. You can also resize the fraction, change its color, or move it around your slide just like any other object in PowerPoint. This makes it easy to match the style of your presentation. Using fraction visuals is a great way to present numerical information clearly while making your slides more visually appealing and easier for your audience to follow. And that's how you create fraction visuals in PowerPoint. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.